Am I supposed to use this? Hey, this is messy. Okay, it's not working. Hi guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Giwa and today I'm going to be trying to draw my eyebrows for the very first time ever. So I've been watching all these tutorials on YouTube and there are so many tutorials on how to do your makeup, on how to draw your eyebrows, but I have never actually attempted to do this. So today I'm going to be doing that for the very first time and I'm interested to see the final product of this thing. So stick around and let's get straight into the video. So these are some of the tutorials that I've been watching on how to do them. So I've narrowed down to the ones that seem very beginner friendly, and those are the ones that I'm going to be working with. I have some of the products with me today. I have the concealer, I have 2 black eye pencils and 1 brown one, and so I have this and some other things that maybe I'll need and others probably, most probably I'll improvise. I'm going for the natural looking brows and I'm only going to need the brown eye pencil and the concealer from this tutorial here. She says I need to comb it, so I've improvised this. This is actually just a toothbrush because I don't have a brush for my brows, so I've improvised with this one. And then she says you go in with the gel, hair gel actually. I'm going to use this nice and lovely one, nice and lovely styling gel. And I'm going to apply it. Ooh, I put too much. Oh my goodness, okay. I think that's a lot. She says next we go in with a brown eye pencil that it should be nicely sharpened. Oops, it just broke. Hey, this is messy. Let's not overdo it. I think this is good enough. And then she's saying we are supposed to draw. I am going to start with the low. Oh my, what am I doing? Okay, I'm going to start from here. Is it straight? Let's go to the top of the brow. Oh my goodness, the tail apparently. I hope I'm doing this right because I'm literally just following instructions right now. Okay, let's see what she says next. Okay, she's saying that I'm supposed to be doing this lightly. Okay, this is not turning out exactly the way hers is turning out because hers looks pretty nice, nicer than mine. But let's just keep doing this anyway. How does this look? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I'm just filling in. And then you go back in with this brush that we have improvised to blend everything in. Okay, she says we are done with the eye pencil. I don't know where my tail has gone. It has disappeared. It is not there anymore. Now we need to go in with the concealer. This is the one that I actually got. Okay. Saying we're supposed to apply it right below the eyebrows. How do I put it? Okay. Okay. Guys, if I'm doing it right, kindly comment down below. And if I'm doing it wrong, don't come for me. This is literally my first time doing this. I don't think I'm supposed to go below there. I'm just going to try and blend it in here. Am I supposed to use this? Or I'm supposed to be having a brush? Because she's literally using something else that I don't have. She has this thin brush that I don't have. So I'm going to improvise and I'm going to use this earbud instead to try and blend in everything. I hope it works. Okay, it's not working. I'm just going to keep at it until it wears off. I think it's working. I think I've done a pretty good job here. Okay guys, this is what we have right now. And then she's saying we need to go over the top of our brow with foundation. And guess what? Your girl has none. I don't have any foundation. So I'm still going to go in with my concealer because it's the shade of my skin. I hope so. Here it is. Okay, am I supposed to put it like this? I think I'm doing it like a pro. Oh my, okay. I hope that is not too much. And then we go for my earbud again because I don't have any makeup brush. So improvising, my friends, improvising. Okay, I'm just cleaning up, following instructions. I think I'm doing a good job, guys. What do you think so far? I think I'm proud of myself as of now. The brow has become thinner after concealing it. Ooh, damper. I'm doing a pretty good job here. Oh my, I feel like a pro already. I feel like a pro already. I think that's good. Okay, let us see the next step from the tutor of the day. And going back in with the eye pencil, I'm going to go lightly. Back in with a brush. Hope I don't mess everything up. What do you guys think? This is literally the last step, so it's not getting any better from here. And according to the tutor, we're done. We are done, and we can now start comparing. Let's compare this eyebrow to this eyebrow. Which one do you think looks nice? You can definitely tell that I have done this eyebrow. I have not done this eyebrow, but for a first time attempting to draw an eyebrow, literally the very first time, I think I did a pretty good job. What do you guys think? Oh my, judge me. Let me know on the comment section, and don't be harsh on me, kindly. So kindly like, share, subscribe, and let's see each other on the next video. Bye guys.